Let's fix Roblox if you're getting voice data usage instead of voice chat. Now, if you're in the Roblox app, normally you turn on voice chat by tapping on the More button at the bottom right, and then scrolling down and tapping on Settings. After you've done that, you're going to head into Privacy and Content Restrictions, and then Communication here. You used to be able to see voice chat in here, and you can turn on voice chat in the settings by tapping on and turning it on. But now it says voice data usage. This is a brand new update in the Roblox app. Now, to turn it on, we need to hop out of here instead and go to your settings. Within the settings, go to the Roblox app and make sure microphone is turned on. So if that access is turned off, just turn it on. Just go to apps and then the Roblox. After we've done that, let's head back into the Roblox app because you can turn it on just by going into a game itself. I'll show you where to turn it on in the game. So let's wait for this to load and I will turn it so that you can see it a bit better here. So let's just turn it like that. And now once this loads, you'll be able to see voice chat is not automatically enabled, but I'll tap on the Roblox icon at the top left. And now from here, we're going to get to the settings option. There you can see is voice chat. All I need to do is tap the arrow over and it says now you're connected to voice chat. Keep in mind, you do need to be 13 plus on here. So if you haven't updated your age to the correct age, just update that age.